broccoli, but we've got this. Got 1 carrot, got cremini mushrooms, aka baby bella or baby portobello mushrooms. Any mushrooms can do, even with this. You can do colored carrots, you could do baby carrots. I prefer the whole large ones. You could do broccolini, any kind of cruciferous. If you are not a fan of broccoli or your store has a bunch of very distasteful looking ones, these ones look gorgeous. I love that purple in there. Got a little bit of garlic. We've got leeks. I'm gonna make some stock with all of this because we're gonna have a lot of leftover leeks. I love getting these pre-cooked rice. You just microwave it for 1.5 minutes and you've got perfectly cooked rice. These are Korean sweet potatoes and they're the best sweet potatoes. We've got our zucchini. This is all we need. Get our trusty scale out. 45. Good enough. Carrots, 28. 28.5. Awesome. It's gonna be a chunky soup. 82 is fine with me. Sweet potato, 50 grams. Wash these. Water in here. Set this on the stove top and let it boil and cook for about 15 minutes. I like to season it with salt, pepper, and you know what I like to do is put regular chili flakes in here, and that way it gets nice and kind of spicy as it's cooking, and it's delicious. So, buon appetito!